you can see me and not just the messy background. Welcome to my video. If you have been sticking around for a while, you know that I'm kind of into witchy stuff, and I've kind of delved into witchcraft, but I haven't probably delved into it, and I identify as a pagan, but I don't really do many pagan practices, or I don't do many witchcraft practices. And I don't see a future where I'm not into this sort of stuff. I just see a future where I'm like, you know, really into it, and where I can proudly call myself a witch, and where I practice spells and I work with goddesses and gods. And if I see that as a future, I need to start somewhere, don't I? So today is the 5th of April, and tonight we have a moon. I think that since tonight is a full moon, and I have made the decision to finally actually get into my craft again, I thought I'd bring you guys along on what I'm going to do tonight, my full moon. I'm not sure what to do. I might look up on Tumblr and follow what someone else does. And tomorrow I'm planning on cleaning out my altar. It is a mess right now, but it will be clean tomorrow. So as I progress further into my craft, and I'm going to promise myself that I'm going to progress further into my craft, because when my depression takes over, I just slump in bed and I don't do anything. And that includes doing witchcraft. So right now I'm in this place in my life where I want to get up and I want to actually start doing things again, and I want to live for my future. And I definitely see witchcraft in my future. So witchcraft and paganism. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start today. I'm starting everything this week, and witchcraft and paganism is included in that. My faith has honestly stopped me from ending it all, to be quite blunt. It has saved me. It's done so much for me, and I will be eternally grateful to it. I wasn't even actively worshipping when I was deep in my depression, and I still just felt pulled towards Mother Earth, towards the sky, towards everything on earth, and I knew that I needed to stay, and I knew that I needed to fulfill a purpose. As you can tell from my voice, I'm not American, I'm not English, I'm actually Irish. So this is a place with a lot of paganism, very, very pagan roots, very shamanic roots. In fact, I was actually doing an online course in Celtic shamanism. I'm really into manifestation and all new age stuff. I wasn't for a while, but I think I'm finally getting back into it, and I want witchcraft to be a part of that. It's just really part of who I am. I've always been into it since I was a little kid. I didn't know exactly what it was, but I knew I had a faith, and I knew that it was deeply connected with nature. I believed in fairies, I believed in all these sort of things, and I want to really connect with that sort of stuff again in my adult life. Without further ado, I need to figure out what I'm going to do tonight. I don't think it's going to be anything too crazy. Maybe some sort of signification of just the release, because full moon is all about releasing things, sending off gratitude, and letting go of everything that happened in the past couple of months. Right now I'm at a very important part of my life where I am letting go of a lot of my traumas and a lot of the things that have held me back. I'm really into somatic healing. I do talk therapy, but it helps to an extent, but for me, whenever I just kind of feel into my body and I feel the emotions and I kind of pull them up and out, it really, really helps. Even now I'm envisioning the energies coming out, and I'm trying to get them out through my mouth, but there's something blocking them in my throat. You can really feel the energy. I guess it kind of could be considered a bit of Reiki as well, but somatic healing really, really does help. Okay, do you guys ever see any of these when you're on Pinterest or Tumblr? Hopefully it's focusing. That came out, and I'm not sure how reliable they are, but I can see how a lot of people decide to follow them. They're very, very good, like, picture wise, and I'm not sure how accurate they are, and I know that a lot of people who are getting into witchcraft it takes years to actually, like, master and fully understand what they're doing. Sit quietly in a sacred space. It makes a little bit of sense. I'd sit quietly in complete darkness with no distractions. Specifically outside would probably be good. Charge up your crystals under the full moon. I used to do this a lot, but I've actually come to an understanding, or some sort of thing in my head, where it's like crystals are very old, very, very powerful, energetic pieces of the earth. So I don't really know if they need charging anymore in my beliefs. I don't know. I think they're too powerful for that. I think they already charge themselves, to be quite honest. Well, I mean, looking at my altar, and I'll show you in a couple seconds, in a couple of minutes, I do kind of feel a bit of a stagnant energy off a lot of them. That's probably because I haven't really been using them and they're kind of just been sitting there. But for example, my obsidian right here, I've been using him a lot, and he is kind of, I can feel his energy. Okay, so I was reading this book, Moonology, by Yasmin Boland. It's okay. And one of the things they say is to do a forgiveness ceremony. But for me in my life right now, I feel like I need to do the opposite of forgiveness. Not necessarily hold a grudge, but sometimes I just want to put the middle finger up to some people and just be like, why would you treat me like that? And why would I allow you to have treated me like that? And why would I have allowed you to live in my mind for so long? And I suppose a forgiveness ceremony, not for other people, but a forgiveness ceremony for myself, I would have to do. Which now that I think of it, doesn't sound like such a bad idea. Sorry for all my talking, I have COVID right now. The way, like, I'm nasal, sorry about that. Yeah, I think I'm too hard on myself, and I think I've been bullying myself a lot, so I think a self-forgiveness ceremony might suit. Peeking out from behind the clouds. The moon. I'm an absolute awe of her. Look at her. She's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Let's enter this to transmute the ashes of my past. No longer taking a hold of me. Like a phoenix, I will rise through these ashes. Sometimes we need the past. Sometimes we need reminders as to why we are where we are today and what made us who we are today. So I think that's what that is meant to be. Just look at her. Oh, beautiful. Hi, we got the close-up camera back, but I just did my gratitude list. Didn't really do much of a gratitude list, I actually did a little bit of a poem. I'm just now only getting into poetry after secondary school, so my poetry might be amazing, but it kind of touches my heart, so I'm going to read it to you guys. It's titled, Thank You So Much. Every day I look around in awe at everything offered us. The sun, the stars, the earth, the trees, the full moon in Libra. I thank you, great goddess, for things seen and unseen. The dimple on my left cheek, my creative energy, the lessons learned, gifts treasured. Even when hidden away in plain sight, I think of you, you who makes this life possible, which is a miracle. I intend to lead this life with love, gratitude, kindness, and grace. You save me, Great Mother. I will never stop loving you. So, that's a little poem for our Great Mother, the Earth, the universe, the planets. She is everything, and I love her. And even when I was in a very, very dark time in my life, I knew that she had a role for me, and I just needed to stick through it, and I did, and here I am, doing this, sharing this with you. I'm only at the start of my journey, but it's gonna be worth it, and I'm really, really happy that I made this decision. I'm really happy that she guided me towards it. Yeah, so thank you very much, for Great Mother, for everything that you do for me, everything that you do for everything. I love you so much, and I can't wait to spend my life worshipping you. Okay, now was probably going to be the tarot segment of the video. And so far I'm really, really liking this, and I think I'm going to do this every full moon, and I'm going to have something similar similar on the new moons as well, because I don't know, I mean, pagans do have their different holidays, but it's just nice to have something to look forward to every month. 2 things to look forward to in my case. So let's do the tarot spread. I decided that I'm going to use my Psychic Tarot deck, the ASMR tapping. By the way, I do have an ASMR channel. I don't use it that much, and I probably won't be using it for the next while, but once I get my Reiki certificate, I think I'm going to start doing Reiki ASMR videos on that channel, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, the innate ASMR tapping. On Pinterest, I assume it's by the Black Cat Tarot. Yep, it is. You can see their website right down there. We're going to use the spread. So on the left is Release, what do I need to let go? The top is 2, Transformation, how to reach my full potential. 3 is Illumination on the right, what is coming to light now. And 4 is a divine message from the universe at the bottom. Take a moment to appreciate my beautiful dragon. Look at her. She's just protecting me. She's protecting us. Dragons protect us. They're the protectors, and their wisdom, and they have lots of knowledge. And I can't wait to learn more about them. There she is. She'll be guarding us during this reading. Truth. Oh my god, that makes sense already. Trapped in fear. Leave my comfort zone. Yep. Okay. Elimination. What is coming into light this morning? 2 things. Sacral chakra, heart chakra. Once again, feeling through somatic healing. And I have been feeling quite a lot in these spaces as well. Specifically my throat and kind of just like my chest down to like the end of my body. Everything that I've gone through to date is for my higher self, for my wisdom, to grow my inner library. Wow, this makes a lot of sense to me. To be honest, it is quite personal, so I don't think I will give much more than what I have said, but it is very, very accurate for me. I started this channel with the intention of being raw and honest, so I'm going to be completely raw and honest. I think I'm ready to just chill for the night, to be honest. I think I might do a journal prompt in the morning. I'm just very tired and I want to hang out with my boyfriend. I really enjoyed the meditation at the beginning. Very uplifting, and it was kind of like the first meditation that I did for myself, by myself. A lot of the time I listen to guided meditations, but it felt really empowering to finally just listen to my own voice, my own inner voice, and go with that. The letting go list, I just wrote everything that was on my heart down, everything that I needed to just get rid of. And I feel like burning it helped as well. I'm just like throwing it out the window. I'm like in awe, and I'm also kind of tired. I really enjoyed that, and I think I'm gonna make a habit out of this. I think I might try and do what I did this full moon every month, what I did this new moon every month. So if you want to see that, definitely let me know. And I will see you in the next video. I really enjoyed this. It was amazing, and I can't wait to do it more, and I feel so much more connected to my craft. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. I hope you have a great day. Bye.